Hello, dear friends. This is Jeannie from Dollhouse Rescue. Welcome back to my workshop. I've got some boxes here to open. I've got a big one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 little ones, and I think you are really going to enjoy these. Let's take a look at them. This first box, this big one, this came from eBay, and it's got a story that goes with it. And the story is that one of my dollhouse friends in our Facebook group contacted me about this lot on eBay. And she said there's furniture in here that she wants. And would I split the lot with her? And I said yes. So there's furniture in here that I want. So some of this stuff will be going to one of my dollhouse friends, and the rest of it I'll keep in my collection. Let's see how it looks. Got some nice padding in there. That's good. All right, now this is kind of typical. eBay sellers don't always pack individually like I would like to see, like a dollhouse collector would. But hopefully everything's padded in there well enough that there won't be any damage. They did have some more packing down on the bottom of the box. But the plastic furniture is just put into baggies, which hopefully that's going to be okay. I'm going to set it all out here and then we'll take a look at it. There we go. That is a big lot of furniture, and some of it is very, very cute. There are a few pieces that are damaged, and I've got those laying here. This one's missing a little leg, and some of these chairs and such are missing a leg. I do not think they broke in transit. I'm sure that was disclosed on the auction site. But so a few of these are missing a leg, so we'll have to do a little repair work on that. But the rest of it's in pretty good condition. I am very fond of it, so I'll get that divided up and send the half on to my friend that was interested in some of this. Very nice. There's a kitchen furniture and bathroom furniture and bedroom furniture. Just a nice little assortment. Very, very cute. I have moved that furniture back into this dollhouse temporarily just to give me a little more room to open another box. All right, box number 2. Let's take a look at it. Now this one came from Etsy, as I recall. And I cannot remember exactly what I ordered, but I know it's some cute little fun stuff that I got on Etsy. Let's take a look at it. Okay, I've got 2 little clarinets. Now I am working on a music room for a friend of mine, and she played the clarinet in band in high school. So I got 1 clarinet for her, and one, some of you may know, I've got a music academy, a dollhouse set up as a music academy. So the other clarinet will go into my music academy. There's also 2 little cats, and these are cats that are like trying to climb onto something or try to get us into something. And my friend that I'm making a little room for has got a black cat, so I got that for her. And then it was so cute, I got one for me also. Then I got a little bird cage because I do have a Mark's Pet Shop, and the Mark's Pet Shop came with some little plastic bird cages, which are very hard to find, but I got this cute little metal one. Let me see what's in it. Okay, this little bird cage has got a little packing in it, and guess what? It doesn't have a door to get it out, so I don't want to hurt what's in there. So I'm going to try to get that packing out from around there without injuring or damaging that little thing that's inside, because I'd like to show that to you. Let's see, can we get it out? There we go, there we go, there we go. There. I don't even know how they got that packing in there. But look, it's got a little tiny like parrot in there. Isn't that cute? I can tell you right now, Grandma would like to have that in her house. It'll either be in her house or my Mark's Pet Shop. Very, very cute. Okay, next box. This also came from Etsy, and this came from the Etsy shop that Bill Young runs for us. He's in our Facebook group, and it's the Dollhouse 3D parts, and they make replacement 3D parts that are printed exactly from their exact replicas from originals. And I needed a couple of things from him, and I recently ordered these and received them promptly in the mail. And they are, I needed, I think, 2, and I ordered 3 just to save on shipping. For the future, I'd have an extra one. But they're the little weather vanes that go on top of the cupolas in some of the houses. And like I said, I needed 2 of them, and I went ahead and ordered 3. They're not very expensive, and of course you spend quite a bit on shipping because it costs the same to ship regardless if you get 2 or 3. So I went ahead and got an extra one. Very cute, and I very much appreciate the effort that he goes to provide those for us. Thank you. Thanks so much, Bill. One more box to open. Now, this was a gift, so I can tell you it was a gift from my daughter. I do not know where she ordered it from, but I know she ordered it online, and I think it's one of those things that was custom made. Let's see what it is. Oh my, it's so cute. Look at there. It's like a little dollhouse doll. And you know what? She's me. She looks like me. She's got glasses on. She's got clothes like I like to wear. And her hair is sort of like mine, where it's kind of, sort of brown, but it's getting a lot of gray at the top. Super cute. Thank you so much. I love it. Now, she's a little big to go in the house with Grandma, but I do have houses that are a little bit bigger size. I think she'd go fine with the 116 or 118 size furniture in a little bit bigger house. Very, very cute. Thanks so much. I really don't know where she got it from, somewhere online, and the lady custom makes those. So cute. Thanks so much for joining me. Just a reminder, you've always got a friend here in Iowa and a lot of friends on our Facebook group, so I hope you'll join us. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.